in spoken English class, it's really your turn to speak in English. And when you are giving your time by using small sentences, in short, you can express yourself, then you are gaining, you are improving, you are learning. My dears, when you will start your speaking, try not to use then, but, and like these conjunctions and all. And small sentence will be easy for you to express the theme of your subject you are going to say, whatever you are speaking about. Okay. I woke up from bed. I brushed my teeth. I took breakfast. I wear a new cloth. I called my friends. I went for a picnic with them. I returned at home. I shared everything with my family. I enjoyed in the picnic. I thank God for such a nice, beautiful day today. Use the words you are using in your daily routines. Daily routines you can say about your any topic you want to express, especially you can say. And also you can talk or call your friends and talk with them in English, whoever is eager to learn English. So many people will be there, so many friend circles, so many opportunities will be there. You have to grab all this. I think you have understood, and I think it's easy for you to learn this type of small sentences in your speaking. Then you can learn easily. And congratulate you all the learnings you are going through, and you are just loving these sessions, and I love you so much, and I really appreciate your love and comments you are giving to me. I am getting inspired of all that comments. Thank you, my dears. Thank you, my dears. Thank you.